Sara and Sushant, welcome to the Zoom Weekend Show.
Thank you.
Sara, also welcome to the Hindi film industry.
Thank you.
We're all ready to watch you, judge you, also bitch about you right behind your back.
Well, I'm also ready.
Also Sushant, today we will not talk about any reducto ad absurdum. We will only talk about absurdum and big words like this.
Absolutely. Just the right answers. Honest.
You can. Sorry?
Yeah, honest answers.
Yeah, I was looking at the ground.
That followed.
Yeah. Somebody asked me what is one favorite thing about you, and I said he's very simple and extremely complicated all at the same time. And this is very interesting because, you know, I've not seen a person who can move from, you know, very trivial industry gossip to astrophysics and like universe in like 1 second.
Yeah.
How do you do this?
Let's just say that I've got interesting friends. So I've got more things to talk about, and actually I like the way I get interested in things.
Yeah.
So then things could be anything.
Okay, now Sara, tell me, you're starting off. Tell me one of the most melodramatic, over-dramatic reactions that you got. See, now I know your parents were chill with it, but then tell me anybody, even a friend for that matter, who, when you told them that you sort of, this is the career choice that you're choosing.
You know, I don't think anybody was surprised. So there was no melodrama involved. I think the only thing that stands out is my brother. Because after being like, you know, fatty for everything, it's suddenly like, oh, you have a trailer. Oh, you have songs.
God.
Oh, you're doing something with your life. So I think that's the only slightly dramatic reaction. But everybody else has, I think, expected it even more than I have.
You told me, and this is very rare, like he doesn't say this very often, and you, including your whole team, has told me, Sara is very intelligent. And when he says things like this, I'm like, oh, he means it. And then, but tell me, her lips are like quivering.
I'm not believing that he said this.
No.
He said I'm intelligent?
He was quite honest when he said it. Tell me the reason why you say it.
The first time I met her, she saw me making few notes and all.
Yeah.
And then
With
while...
tests and all.
Yes, so while she was prepared already.
This is for the movie, I'm hoping.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So while
Character tests and all he had. Fully.
This is the first reading with
Okay.
Gattuso. And she...
Oh, so you had it.
Yeah, I had it.
Huh.
So this is one thing that I do so as to, you know, get the character somewhere going.
Yeah.
She saw that, she was already prepared, but the very next day, she could have done it after a week, but the very next day she had all those notes. So,
I was like, very confused.
so the same thing, I think she likes the way she gets interested in what she likes.
Oh. Now see, you have to now return the favor.
Which favor? I mean, he knows. He knows the intelligence.
What was your
so
like first impression of him?
first impression you shouldn't ask, but like third impression is that he's
Now I want to
extremely-
know the first impression.
It sounds stupid.
No, tell,
My first
please go
impression
ahead.
was na. And I was like dying. I was like, I really need to meet this guy, man. He's so hot. I love this song. It was just his abs and Kriti's legs. I couldn't think beyond that. That
Oh, your
song
first
was
impression
just
isn't like the first
bomb.
impression when you saw the song.
Yeah, and then I met him at Karan's house, and I remember telling him also, he's standing with Kriti. I remember going to both of them and saying that, listen, this song is just bomb. And I think Karan was only next to me. He's like, you want to relax now? You know, like getting really carried away. And I was like, no. He was like, listen, chill out. So that was the first impression. But by the third impression, it was like, you know, it was very surprising that he's, I mean, not surprising, sorry, that's a wrong word to use, but especially since the Nana was as cool as it is, you know, the way that he speaks and the things that he speaks about, I mean, he's extremely intelligent.
Yeah.
And that was my third impression of him. Like, dude, be careful. This guy is smart. He is very, very bright. One doesn't expect that. You know?
Yeah, that
So-
is true.
Yeah, I think that was
Thank
the third impression.
Well done with the mutual compliments. You
See?
guys have done yourself very well. But then, you know what Namrata told me, who's your Pilates trainer, she told me that you're a drama queen, drama's always around you. Then she told me that you have no filter whatsoever.
She's not wrong.
She's not, right? Then your brother told me that you would like, you know, twist his toe and then he would hit you with a bat and then you would
He's hit me with a bat across my face.
Oh.
He's hit me with a tennis racket across my back. Okay, I've pinched his toe. So let's just put it in
No,
context.
he said you twisted it.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
The
whatever.
whole and then
That requires some
he
strength.
said something like he said something like you both would drive your mother crazy.
We do.
Yeah, but now tell me, apart from all of this, which is great, tell me, you know, keeping this aside, are you sort of ready to take on the responsibilities of a full-on career? of being an actor?
If I'm being very honest with you, I
Yeah.
think this is one of those things that you can never be ready for and you can't not be ready.
Yeah.
So somewhere in the middle of that is where I am and will continue to be, I think.
Talking about paradoxes.
No, but really, yaar, kya bolu? Like,
No,
am I
paradoxes.
ready?
No, paradoxes are right. Even some paradoxes are right. So you're right.
Yeah,
I
thank
think
you.
in this context, she's given me a very interesting perspective.
Told you.
My dream in life is to use 5 of his words in one sentence.
Oh.
Then I will die.
Lovely.
You tell me, I really want to talk about your social media, where it's very interesting how you make sure that you comment to a lot of people, like reply to their comments, right? Do people sometimes tell you, is this, or they ask you, is this like a made-up thing that you put out stuff about science and the universe and stuff like that? Yeah. I know, I guarantee it's not, but...
Another thing is that, yes, of course, when you see things that you don't expect, normally you try to speculate.
Yeah.
Because you want to sound or you're smarter to yourself, because if you are smart, you would be able to predict.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you are not able to predict, then you want to justify that.
Yeah.
But I was expecting it, so that's not the point. And yes, of course, it's a strategy. There are many things that I like doing, one of which, and it is right at the top, is to connect with people.
Yeah.
And see and probably enable them in any way possible, if I could. The kind of impact that I can have with every action of mine. So if I text you something and say that we talk every day,
Yeah.
and it's not a very urgent thing, but if I miss out on saying that for a day, you won't feel bad because we are friends.
Yeah.
But if I say happy birthday to somebody,
Yeah.
probably it would be a better birthday. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So the intensity of the impact is
I
much
would be
more
very
better.
offended if you don't wish me on my birthday, but...
I'm just saying that saying even hi, or
Yeah,
sending
no
an
problem. I get it, I get it.
emoticon,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
it's
makes
just so easy there to make somebody feel so special.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's true. You tell me, one amazing thing about you and your parents is the fact that they were extremely supportive and they're completely okay with the fact that this is a career you're choosing and all of that. Tell me one thing, I mean, what kind of parents do you think they are? Like, you know, for
See,
them
to
to
start
have
with, they're actors. So
Yeah.
it will be very hypocritical for them to really go
Yeah.
and say like, nahi kar sakte, you know.
Huh.
So firstly that. And secondly, I think that both my parents have been extremely supportive with most things, everything almost
Yeah.
that I've decided to do in life. And they also know me. So it's not just being supportive as much as it's about being aware of who your daughter is.
Yeah.
And they know that, you know, I listen to what they say, I consider what they say, but at the end of the day, I have a heart and mind of my own that I cannot silence even if I myself want to.
Yeah.
You know, I've said this before and I'll say it again, both my parents were on board with me doing Kedarnath, but let's pretend they weren't. I would have done it anyway. And they know that. So maybe they
Yeah.
want to also, you know, save the argument time at home because, you know, it is what it is. And I can't silence things when I really, really feel them, which is a problem sometimes, but it is, again, what it is.
Tell me about this movie and a very difficult day on set for you. Tell me one for you and then one for you. The most difficult one.
I don't know about most difficult, but I think the day where I was doing Dubkis in the Ganga was a little...
That's a crazy scene in the trailer.
Yeah, no, I mean, and I remember Gattu sir telling Ajay, who's doing my makeup, lip ka blue kam karo, lip ka blue kam karo. And Ajay said there's no makeup on her lips.
Wow.
And it had fully gone blue. And, you know, it was like, it was a mess. And I remember getting out of the water after that and like feeling like I was about to faint. And it was a little hard that day. That day was particularly hard.
There was one day when the incline was 45 degrees.
When you're carrying somebody.
Yeah, and so it was like this, 45 degrees, and it also rained, so it was slippery. And I had to say dialogues. But in general, the most difficult day, like always in every film, according to me, is my last day.
Your last day.
Yeah, so that day is when you know that you're not going to play this character anymore. So,
Oh, like how cute. Now, after this conversation, we're getting into, there are 2 hampers on the show. First,
for me.
we start with, oh shit, we have to do weekend statement. Okay, cool. Before the hamper.
Are you do what?
Some style questions I'll ask. 2.
Style?
Very chill, very chill. Don't. Tell me, what is one fashion statement you wish would come back?
Skinny jeans only suit me, so I don't really care about bell bottoms.
One fashion statement you wish would go away?
Expensive ones.
I second that.
Tell me one piece of clothing in your wardrobe that has gotten you lucky.
No, there is no lucky thing.
Nothing.
As long as I'm wearing things, it's absolutely fine.
There is a problem if you don't?
But people will have problems, and then,
Correct.
we'll
That's
have
true.
problems together. Like that.
What is the worst piece of style advice that you've gotten?
I don't know if it's good or bad, but stop wearing salwar kameezes constantly.
Eh?
It irritates
Just
me to hear that.
Who
People
says
just
that?
tells you that.
Everybody tells me that. You're
Who's
only wearing
everybody?
these salwar kameezes from Shankar Market in Delhi and this, that and the other, which is true, but like now I like it. What do I do?
Can we get into the first winning hamper situation?
Of course.
Yes.
It's called the GoPro challenge. Before that, first tell me one country that you're planning to visit
Is
next.
this a question?
No, this is not for the
You
hamper.
can take it lightly.
Norway.
No, take it seriously always, whatever you're telling
In terms
me.
of time.
Yeah. No, so tell me.
I
the
said
next...
Norway
Norway you plan.
or Oslo in Norway specifically. But anyway,
Interesting. Sushant, answer.
What?
What is the next country that you plan
Actually,
to
just got an idea.
why can't you answer
Actually,
this?
Norway, one of my dreams, I have dreams.
Yeah.
I also write them down.
Yeah.
Wrote them
I
down.
have dreams.
And one of which is to see Northern Lights and to paint.
Yes.
So I've never seen Northern Lights, I've never painted. But I can still go to Norway and do that. Thank you for giving me that
No,
idea.
seeing
I
the
will
Northern
go-
Lights has been...
So my next trip would be now,
Norway.
for sure.
Well done. Well done. Now can we play the challenge, please?
Absolutely.
Okay, can we have the GoPro hamper first, please? This is the GoPro challenge. We have the GoPro hamper right here. Both of you can win it if you are good enough. Tell me one crazy story, okay? This is for both of you. Tell me one crazy travel story. This has to be honest. You can't randomly put things in it and make it crazier.
Me and my cousins, back in the day when I was very young, I don't know whether I should say the national television.
Yeah, that's my problem with most of my crazy travel stories.
But then, yeah.
Crazy, remember, hamper.
But I was a kid. Let's just say that.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
just
yeah.
justify that.
Yeah, yeah.
12, 13, 14.
We didn't know
something
better.
like that. Yes. And we decided that we won't take tickets and we were traveling from Delhi to Bombay and we remembered 3 stations where we were not supposed to get off because that's like heavy scrutiny there.
Oh, wow.
And we just saw some poha or something in one of those 3 things that we were not required to step onto the platform, and we did, and we were caught. We were we were pulled in for 6 to 7 hours in a room,
Wow.
and I howled and cried and then he let me go, but he took all my money. All my money. Everything that I had.
That is crazy.
So once me, my father, mother, parents were married, so I was below 9 years of age. And they'd gone into shop for something, and I was outside with my brother. My brother was in a pram, and we were with our help. So it was 3 of us outside. And I started dancing. And then people stopped to give money because they thought I was begging. And I kept it. And I realized that, acha, paise mil rahe, kuch bhi kar lo, karte raho. And I started dancing more and more. And Jharna, who was with me at that time, when my mother and father walked out buying a watch or something, I said, देखिए जी, इन लोगों को बिया इतनी क्यूट लगी, इन्होंने पैसे दे दिए. And my mother was like, क्यूट नहीं, ये भिखारन लगी कि इन्होंने पैसे दे दिए. So yeah, इनके पैसे लोगों ने ले लिए, मुझे लोगों ने पैसे दे दिए. वो थी मेरी कहानी.
This is the second part of the game. You have to either show me any one picture of a travel story that you have, okay? Like of a time of you guys traveling. If you show me a picture of then, the same story that you guys said, it's an extra point. But then I don't think that's possible, but any travel story.
Any travel
Oh my
Any
God,
tra-
there are
any
only
travel.
fittings for promotions in this phone.
Any travel story. You have to be in it, you have to be in it.
I'm the one clicking picture.
That doesn't count, you have to be in the
This is
picture.
so not done.
You have to be in the
Okay,
picture.
just 5 minutes from there. It was in Nagaland.
No. I showed him first.
No.
Very, very well done. Thank you so much. This was the GoPro challenge. Congratulations, you winner.
Thank you.
Sushant, don't worry.
for all your support.
Just in this.
It was great working with
Don't
you.
worry. There's a bigger hamper that you could fight for. In a very original game, which is named Bollywood,
Oh, lovely.
we will play for the Myntra Zoom Weekend Show hamper. Can I have the hamper, please? Do you know the rules of the game? I'll tell you. There'll be dashes with the particular number of letters in the name of a movie. Okay, and the vowels in the name of the movie will be written already. You guys keep guessing the letters that you think would be in the name of the movie. If you get it right, I'll write it in the name. Otherwise, I'll cut one
Like
of
Hangman.
your like Hangman.
Ooh. I can see it in the reflection of your
Just stop it.
glasses.
Okay, I'll start with you, Sarah. Give me a letter which you
K.
think K. This is your Bollywood, okay? Chalo, Sushant.
R. Yeah.
You know the movie. T. Oh, I don't want to play this game.
Badlapur? P-U-R. Badlapur. Yay! Can I take this now?
No, no,
There are
no.
more than one.
That's round one, okay? Now next movie. So round,
Hmm.
I'm not good with all this dash and stuff.
chalo. Are you ready for the next
Absolutely.
item number 2?
I don't know. 2, 3, 4.
Okay?
That's it?
Yeah.
Race.
Ha! Hey, cut.
No, I was just joking, man. Race between both
We
of us who
haven't started,
finishes
we haven't
first.
started.
And the time starts now.
Wait, you had to cut her.
No, she
Why?
hadn't started. She hadn't.
No, the last time she was wrong, right?
No. So that we start again. You got the point.
Oh, I got
1
the
point for you.
1 point.
Okay.
This is 1 or I?
This is I.
I. Again, T?
F.
T हो गया. S?
S.
Yeah?
S.
Yeah?
You sure about S?
Yeah. Hiss!
There's no film hiss.
Yeah, of course, Mallika Sherawat.
That movie where she is going on a
Excuse me?
pole like a snake.
Excuse me? How can I miss
I
that?
don't know what's worse that I lost twice that there's no film hiss.
Hiss.
Okay, whatever. He wins, man.
Hiss.
What all is in this?
A lot of stuff.
Well done. So we have. I had 3 movies.
I'm the clear winner.
I had 3 movies, but we will do
Third
one
one.
more anyway. Okay.
Just like, yeah.
So that you feel like a better loser.
Better loser means more of the loser.
No, better loser isn't like a happy loser.
Better.
Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The 1, 2, are these words or letters?
One word. One
2, 3,
word.
4. How many are there?
10 letters.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. English, Hindi.
This is not allowed. Just.
Oh, now you said
No.
Hindi.
I have not said anything. You
You
start. First letter.
T.
This T has never helped you in this game for you. I want to tell you.
Oh.
Arey yaar.
S. Oh.
Now you can't say anything. You say.
R. What? How?
This T and R also does not help you.
Oh.
What is this?
M.
Yeah.
M for monkey.
Humsafar.
हम शकल्स.
मैंने क्यों बोला हम?
तुम बिल्कुल ही हम शक्ल नहीं हो लेकिन मेरी हम सफर हो. तुमने
अरे यार.
Thank you so much.
All right.
All right.
You seem quite upset.
No, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well done.
Well done, well done.
I hope with experience you learn to be a better loser as movies pass. Chalo.
What do you mean as movies pass?
Like
This
one
loss has
after the
nothing to
other.
do with movies passing and losing and all. Huh? Let's be positive.
Not the past like in the past.
As in like
Pass.
metaphor.
as movies, like you move on from one movie to the other
Metaphor.
is what I meant. Chalo, thank you so much for coming on the Zoom Weekend Show. We are
Thank you
at the
for
end of
having
the
us.
show. Thank you so much for coming. The movie is out on the 7th of December in the theatres near and away. You guys take a break now. After the break, Sakshma will cover the movie review. So stay tuned. Sarah wore a lime green strappy short kurta with floral details and tassels on the side with a matching tiered skirt and similar floral dupatta. Get a similar look on Myntra. Sushant wore a grey t-shirt with black jeans, black sneakers and a strappy watch. Get a similar look on Myntra. I wore a cycle print t-shirt with a navy bomber jacket, indigo denims and cool black lace shoes. Log on to the Zoom store on Myntra and shop for this look for your wardrobe.
Hello and welcome to Zoom Weekend Show. I'm Sakshma and I'm back with this week's movie review, which is for Abhishek Kapoor's Kedarnath. इस फिल्म के लीड रोल्स में हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और डेब्यूटेंट सारा अली खान। केदारनाथ का फर्स्ट हाफ काफ़ी स्लो है और सारा फोकस फिल्म के मेन किरदार मंसूर और मंदाकिनी की लव स्टोरी पर है। मंसूर यानी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत एक मुस्लिम है और मंदाकिनी यानी सारा एक हिंदू। तो रिश्ते को लेकर आगे जाकर काफ़ी रिलीजियस टेंशन खड़ी हो जाती है, विच इज़ द मेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द फिल्म। मूवी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है सेकेंड हाफ में क्योंकि इंटरवल के बाद कंटेंट बेटर है, मूवी को एक पर्पस मिलता है आगे बढ़ने के लिए और सीन्स का एग्जीक्यूशन भी बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है। परफॉर्मेंस वाइज सारा की पहली फिल्म है पर वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है, उनमें पोटेंशियल है, टैलेंट है, एनर्जी है और वो बहुत खूबसूरत है। अगर आप केदारनाथ देखेंगे तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की परफॉर्मेंस पर भी उतना ही गौर कीजिएगा बिकॉज आई फील ही हैज़ डिलीवर्ड एन आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस। उनका किरदार सारा के किरदार से काफ़ी सधा हुआ है। ही इज़ कंपेरेटिवली मोर नेचुरल एंड द वे ही हैज़ पुल्ड ऑफ द इमोशनल सीन्स, इट्स फैबुलस। मूवी के गाने भी अच्छे हैं पर हाँ, इसमें डल पॉइंट्स भी बहुत हैं, विच इंक्लूड्स 90% ऑफ द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म, विच इज़ अ ड्रैग एंड सीन्स डायरेक्शनलेस। मूवी के अंत का 25% इतना इंटेंस और विजुअली स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि कहीं ना कहीं इट कॉम्पनसेट्स फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द फिल्म। एंड अच्छा है तो जब आप थिएटर से निकलेंगे आप खुश होकर ही निकलेंगे क्योंकि ओवरऑल द फिल्म इज़ डिसेंट। मैं केदारनाथ को 3 स्टार्स दे रही हूँ और आप इसे बिल्कुल थिएटर में देखिए क्योंकि अच्छे VFX की वजह से बड़े पर्दे पर आपको इस फिल्म को देखने में मज़ा आएगा। चलिए, दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू द एंड ऑफ अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ जूम वीकेंड शो। अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात होगी ठीक शाम 7 बजे। तब तक डू टेक वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड कीप वॉचिंग जूम।